Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will tell you how the Bank Nifty and Nifty will perform tomorrow. See, if we look at this chart, we have seen that there is now an uptrend have started. Okay, and now the price of the Bank Nifty we can see is an uptrend after moving in this particular range. Okay, so if the price of Bank Nifty, if the Bank Nifty opens up 35,255, then we can see it can touch a level of 35,319, as well as there is chances it can touch a level of 35,400 to around 35,431. Suppose if the Bank Nifty opens below 35,100, then there is chances it can go and touch a level of there is chances that it can touch a level of 35,000. Okay, and if it didn't sustain that level, then there is strong support at 34,900. Okay, so there is high chances that it can bounce back from here. If it goes below this level, then there is chances we can see a level of 34,870, or it can come below to a level of 34,750. Okay, but let's see where the market opens, then we'll decide where it will go. But what we can see that the trend is forming, a trend line is forming here. Okay, if we look at this trend line, we can see a pattern is forming. So once if this pattern breaks upside, then we can see an upside movement, or if it breaks downside, then it can go down. So let's wait for the first 50-minute candle and then we'll decide where the market goes. If we talk about Nifty, okay, we can see that the Nifty is moving in a particular range. Okay, after making this high, all-time high, it has now ranging in a particular range of after making a new high, it has come into a range of 15,435. so what we can see here is, suppose if the price goes above or opens above 15,460, then what we can see that it can make a new high. Or if it comes down, okay, or come down below in the range of around, if opens below the range of 15,400, then there is chances that it can move in this particular range itself till the time it didn't cross high of 15,460. then we cannot see that can go further high. Or if it goes below a level of, if it opens below a level of 14,400, then there is chances it can fill this gap, which is till 15,380. okay, so there is high chances. So what we have to do is, let's wait for the first 15-minute candle and then we'll decide where the market moves. Okay, so we can see this is an uptrend here in the Bank Nifty, in the Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. So if it opens below 15,380 or this level, then we can see further that it can move further low. Okay, or if it opens off 14,430, then there is chances it can make a new high. Okay, but the trend is continuously, we can see an upside. So let's wait for the first 15-minute candle and then we'll decide where the market goes. Hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up. New to my channel, please subscribe it.